now the kicker, that's Cameron Dicker, set to get us started.
And this one is underway here on EA Sports.
And he won't quite make it to the 25. First play, Watson to the air. This one complete to Jerry Jeudy.
And he gets this one just shy of the 40. They'll mark him down at the 39. From up near the 40 now after the big play to start. Here's another 1st and 10. A first carry now for Nick Chubb. And that play went nowhere. Losing yardage. It'll be back at the 36.
Award that tackle for loss to the linebacker, Denzel Perryman.
Well, that was not what you would call straight line pursuit for a middle linebacker to make this play. He's got to work his way through the clutter to get to the ball carrier on the outside, and he does exactly that. That's called avoiding the trash.
Into double coverage, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Denzel Perryman, and he's able to get it back to the 41-yard line. That right there is the inauspicious start that they were hoping to avoid, the turnover on the first possession.
I love how you use those college-bound words like that, inauspicious. Well done. I really appreciate that. But here's the thing for me. I'm just wondering if their game plan is incorrect. You know, I think they felt like they could come in and throw it around pretty well. That interception early, they may rethink how they go about attacking.
To the left side, he's got McConkey. He's into space past the 25.
And all the way in for a Charger touchdown.
Lad McConkey
with a first touchdown of this Super Bowl, and a long one at that.
And the Chargers use the early turnover to get on the board first here in this one. Extra point up and good by Dicker.
And that makes the score 7-0. Well, the offense wasn't out there for a long time, but they were out there for a good time. One play, and they're able to hit pay dirt.
Now, after the Dicker field goal, he's back out, ready to send it away. And he'll take it up past the 25 to the 26-yard line. And now the Browns coming out on the field. They trailed early on in this Super Bowl as they come up 1st and 10.
Trying to shake off the interception. He'll look to throw.
This is Akins hauling in the short pass.
And he's tackled a yard short of the marker. Good gain of 9 on first down.
From the 35, here's 2nd down and 1.
They'll fake the handoff. Now Watson.
This will be caught. Jeudy.
And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory. Second catch for him today, and it'll wind up a first down.
And that's how you shake off the interception you threw on the opening drive, come back and throw another strike and gain nice yardage. And I give credit to two people on this one. The man throwing the ball and the person calling the plays. They're not shutting him down early in this game.
And a loose football, and picked up by the Chargers. And a great return as he gets this all the way down close to the 30-yard line.
The start of this game has me doing flashbacks and remembering when I was playing and seeing a similar start and seeing the head coach actually take a timeout and gather the whole team around him and tell him everybody to get it together. Let's get some focus going here, because maybe he just sensed that maybe the whole team wasn't ready to play.
Yeah, well, they've gone interception, now fumble. They try and run on first down, but to no avail.
Tackle for a 2-yard loss in the backfield.
Well, it's almost football 101 that you preach to your safeties. Don't let anyone get behind you. You're the last line of defense. But he didn't let the play come to him. He went to the play. How about that read and recognition and finishing off that one behind the line of scrimmage?
Now this one finds McConkey. Well, good field position to start the drive, but under the gun now here on 3rd and 8. Hard throw, incomplete.
Oh, that's going to hurt a bit because they needed to come through with a completion there. Now a drive that started with great field position is facing 4th down.
Cameron Dicker on now to try the field goal. Spotted at the left hash, this from 45. And it's a fake. He's going to throw it. Now a throw caught by one of their linemen. And they're able to pick up the first and keep possession. Some collective exhales over there on the sideline. A big pickup through the air on 4th down to bring up 1st and goal. They'll run with Dobbins. And he goes backwards here, losing yardage back to the 16. It's a loss of 8 there on the 1st down play.
You want to talk about the proverbial deer in the headlights. That's exactly what he was when he got the ball. Went to hit a lane and get upfield, and all he saw, extra defenders bearing down on it. Perfect time to dial up the blitz. An excellent call.
Herbert's throw taken in by Palmer. A nice job to get 11 out of that pass play, but now they face a 3rd and goal. He was out there waving his arms, and when you got a quarterback out of the pocket looking for any help, I guess waving the arms is helpful.
It certainly is, because you got to get his attention, because now you're in scramble drill. So everyone's adjusting their routes, finding open space, and he found the right spot for the completion.
They'll try to run with Dobbins. No gain on the play that time, so a big stop, and it's going to leave them with a 4th and goal. Looking at this situation, if you're at the 1, the 2, maybe you go for it. From here, you kick it.
I agree. I think you have to get points in this situation. 4th down, I don't chance it at all. I put the points on the board and go back and regroup.
On 4th down, Herbert. And he's in for a Charger touchdown. Justin Herbert, a 5-yard touchdown run. And the Chargers will add to their 1st quarter lead here in this Super Bowl. Extra point up and good by Dicker. And it's now 14-0. So that drive goes 8 plays. And it's finished off with a 5-yard touchdown run.